Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilesh and you are watching Techie Programmer. Today we are going to learn about the Python keywords and identifiers. I have opened up my IDLE here. Python keywords are the reserved words in Python like for, while, true. These you cannot be used as a variable name. So first let us know the keywords used in the Python. So in order to know the keywords, you can just type print help and write a string keyword and hit enter, and you'll get the 33 list of the keywords that are used in the Python. And you cannot use these variables as assigning the variable, or you can't just use this as a name of the class and all. These are the keywords that are used in the Python language, and we are going to go through whatever is necessary that comes with the time. And talking about the identifiers, an identifier is a name given to the entities like class, function, variable, etc. And there are typically 5 rules in Python. One is the first rule is you can start with a letter, capital letter, small letter. You can use underscores, you can use numbers, but you cannot start a variable name with a number. You cannot use the keyword that we mentioned earlier, and you cannot use the special symbols like @ and all. And you can use the variable name can be of any length. You can just see how big this variable is. One more important thing about it is Python is case sensitive. If you are using a small case letter variable, then you need to of course use that particular case letter in order to get the value of it. It just means you cannot use VAR is not equal to capitalized VAR, else you will get these errors. So in the next video we are going to continue this. You can just check out my Instagram page called Techie Programmer, and you can, if you are intermediate programmer, then you can just go there and get some beautiful codes and try it yourself. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to help you.